And access 192.168.1.1 admin PLDT Wi-Fi. So the connection to 192.168.1.1 is not secure. So first of all, you have to go and open up your Chrome here, and on your search bar you have to search for the 192.168.1.1, and here you can see that this site can't be reached. So if you are facing this problem, admin not working in your PLDT router. So how you can fix this here? So go back. Once you have here, you have to simply go and so you have to open up your Play Store here first of all. So first of all, go and open up your Play Store, and on your search bar, you have to search for the router admin here. Once you have searched for the router admin, so here you can see the all router admin here. So you have to go and click on the install option and wait until this installation has been successfully completed. So once it has been installed, you have to go and click on the open option here. So go and open up your app here. Once you have opened up your app, so here you can simply go for the router admin. You have to click on that. So you have to just go and click on the router admin here. Once you have clicked on the router admin, you will get the interface of SSL. So you will get the interface of SSL certificated error, and you have to simply go and tap on the yes option. So you have been successfully accessed your login with your username and password. So with the help of this video, you can easily access your 192.168.1.1 admin PLDT Wi-Fi. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.